Good morning, y'all. It's me. I gotta wash my face and brush my teeth, get some coffee in my system because I'm tired. I'm motherfucking tired. It's Saturday morning. Hubs is asleep and he finna get up because I was with these kids all motherfucking day yesterday and I'm tired too. But I don't know what we finna do today, but I'm taking y'all with us because y'all, I feel crusty as hell. I'm taking y'all with us because I ain't took y'all with us in a minute. So welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. Say good morning. Say hi. Okay, y'all. So one day, I'm gonna figure this YouTube shit out, but not today. I need to wash my face. Alright, now that that's done.
Hey.
What? I didn't even know they was woke. They over there. What? What? What time y'all wake up?
8:50.
Oh, y'all just woke up. The same time I woke up. What? All right, y'all. We got a couple of shebangs out here. Let's go ahead and get them. Y'all, it's so dark. I'm sorry, I ran out of storage, y'all. I'm back. We had a little issue, ran out of storage. Well, we finna wake this house up since everybody woke anyway. Oh, turn it on, baby. Turn them lights on. Look at him, always doing something. You turn the light on? You wanna eat breakfast? You eat cereal? Now, if you lose this one, Scarpie, it's over with for you.
Ooh, buddy, my toothbrush.
If you lose that one, it's over with for you. Y'all, this is so big, but I wanted one of these. It's too big, so. You said that's not her toothbrush.
No, I said she didn't find it. You ordered it.
Tosh, come close your eyes. So Tosh needs one of these because my brother gave him a PS4. So move that out the way. Open it to take it out. And let's go see the I don't even think we can see the face.
I got my tooth.
Oh. Okay, so we need to put on the charger. Yeah, because we need to put on the charger though. Okay, so I'm about to put these on since I can't find my other ones anyway. What do you got? Move back. What do you got?
A toothbrush.
What?
A toothbrush.
What?
I got a toothbrush for me. And I have to brush my teeth with this.
You gonna brush your teeth with that?
Yes.
For real?
Put it in.
It's yours?
Yeah.
What happened to the other one?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So who lost it?
Me.
I ain't buying you no nothing until it's time for some new ones, okay? This is my house. Okay. You believe that if you want to, fool. How did I waste all that expensive ass creamer like that. Yo, this is what I just did.
It's cold.
Right, look. And this over here don't even, just ridiculous. But I didn't feel like it last night. I didn't. Back to the crib.
No, it's just.
Let me see them shoes, girl. Go over some more. Ooh! Where you going, girl, lady? Ooh! Y'all, one thing about this house, it ain't a lot of cabinet space. So when I open these cabinets, you're gonna see a lot of stuff just thrown in there. They here too. I'm glad I opened it.
This is so good. This is provided. You just kind of want to say. Y'all, since we last did a YouTube video, we changed our whole little area around. And we want to do a lot of things to here. Because, you know, the interior decorator and me just want to do something totally different. Like, this how it was originally when we first closed on the house. But we never had a table over here. And I think the table looks better over here. We just got to do some stuff over here. And we plan on it. Oh, you think house shoes? Those are not house shoes. Yes, they are.
Those are swim shoes.
No, Granny brought these for house shoes.
Go over there. Let me see. Some swim shoes.
No, these are house shoes. I'm still for my Mickey Mouse ones.
Okay, Elsa slippers. Pick the applesauce up before somebody step on it. Thank you. Okay, stepper.
Look, you can drink it after the pancake. No,
Go sit down somewhere. Look at MJ looking at you. Y'all, so we in Todd's room. About to try out his new remote control because the other one wasn't working. And my brother gave him this PS4 and he really want to play it. So yeah, go get the remote from out of my room, please.
Thank you.
I hope it works. I hope it works because it ain't been working. I hope it works because yeah, he gonna be devastated if it doesn't. Thank you. So in order for you to play this, if it do work, your room need to be clean. I'm glad you fixed your bed, but you got a lot more to do, buddy.
It looks different in my room.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm ready. Yes!
That boy want to play this real bad. He ain't here clean up this room. Y'all, I'm cramping. I just want to sit here for a minute. I was supposed to be getting peace and quiet to myself just for a few minutes because I'm cramping. MJ, I'm on birth control, but it's still, I guess it's getting, my body trying to get back I don't fucking know what's happening. Okay, half of these emotions is coming from the fact that I'm cramping and I'm just wanting a moment. Yesterday was long as the fuck, like, and I don't want nobody on my titties right now. Like, I don't want to be bothered right now. I really don't. I don't want to breastfeed right now. Like, go get some juice or something. Yeah, go get some juice. Okay? Go get your juice. Tell daddy get your juice. Yo. It's like MJ will literally force his way. Like, he does not care at all. He does not care. I literally laid down to try to take a nap. Epic fucking failure. No nap was taken at all. Y'all, I don't know what the hell is going on. I think I'm all over the place. But because it's Saturday, I'm not even gonna let that ruin my day. I'm not even gonna let it irk me any further. I'm getting hungry again. And that's the thing about cutting your meals to smaller meals. Like, you eat enough till you get full, you eat the protein, all the good stuff, but you have to eat more often. So I think we just about to go grab a bite to eat, and I'm just gonna do whatever makes me feel good. I believe that the thing that will make me feel good is probably just going to go get some stuff for my living room so I can change my living room around. I'm not changing it. I'm talking about what I showed y'all earlier in the video. You know, where I said I was going to add some more stuff too. Yeah, that. I'm just finna go ahead and get up. Because ain't no point in laying around moping. Probably need to take some pain medicine though, because the cramping is beyond me, okay? This just feels so new to me. Like, baby, I've been having kids every 3 years. Breastfed 2 years, no period. Then pregnant again as soon as I got a period. Every single time. With Sky Pie, I only got 1 period, and then I was pregnant. So, yeah, it looked like every kid, I got at least 1 or 2 periods before I got pregnant. Of course, Josiah, I was having periods regularly. And I started taking birth control, and I wasn't getting no periods. And then next thing you know, I missed the birth control. And what the fuck you have? I'm pregnant. I was in denial for 3 months. So, anyways, yeah, here I am. I guess I'm about to be regulated now. I don't fucking know. So, after Sky Pie, I didn't get no period. I breastfed her till 1.5, almost 2. Then I was pregnant with MJ, and I didn't even know I was pregnant, y'all. Like, I don't think I even had no pregnancy symptoms. And yeah, I was pregnant with MJ. Next thing you know, boom, MJ here. He's 1, and I'm still breastfeeding. So, and now I'm getting menstrual cycles. Like, are you fucking crazy? Like, I thought that was the point of birth control. Like, I don't want no motherfucking period. Rant over. Let me get my ass up and put some clothes on. Alright, y'all, so we are done getting dressed. We're just about to do MJ hair right quick. You don't even wash up in the sink anyway. What are you doing? Delulu. That's what you is. Delulu. MJ, you ready to go? Y'all, it's okay. It's okay, MJ. It's okay. Y'all, I'm thinking about just getting MJ's sides and the back of his hair cut off so it can like grow back. Cause he have a nice gray hair. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna just let it do its thing. But at the same time, it's like, there's only so many styles I can do with the way his hair shape. I mean, his hairline go. And the way that the back is. But Okay. All done. All done. Dink-a-dink. All done. Y'all, I like this little thing. I thought it was gonna be looking too big, but it actually fit just right. All done. Go get your shoes. I got me some leggings on. You can't see me like that though. Y'all, we gotta go. Cause they already outside. Like, why would you even go outside? Ready to go? Joel, we have arrived at the at-home store. MJ.
No, I don't win.
Guess we about to get my curtains. I don't know what else though. Come on, boy. You always gotta tie them shoes. Oh, this is clearance. Oh, look at these. No. This might scrape up the floor, huh? But they only $40.
Mommy, you.
$40.
Yeah, Mommy, look at this.
Oh, the Valentine's Day stuff.
Mommy, you're on pillow. It's true love story.
I love them pillows. We should start decorating our house for every holiday. Oh, they got bar stools over here. Y'all, we wasn't even finna get no bar stools today, but if they got some for a good price, I'm buying. $109. Sorry. $109. This $109. Oh, they have them in sets in a box. That's $200 for two. So basically, they going for like $100. Oh wait, look.
What?
They got these. $50. Yeah, you don't see that? It's a walnut, gray, and black. That's probably the closest we gonna get. I think I like this one. And there's some up here too. I keep saying I like one, then I see another one. The saddle stools? Yeah, but I don't see the price for those.
Every store.
Stop pushing each other.
No.
You need to get back in the cart like we said.
Get back in the cart.
1, 2.
Okay, get back in the cart. Okay.
3. Yeah, make sure they all walnut. 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 One more.
Last one.
One more. Make sure they all 24. 24, 24, 24.
Hey, do you think that the last one could fit?
Yeah, it can.
No, it could fit right there.
Let's go, boys. But this is 96. I really don't think we're gonna find the exact same curtains. What we're gonna have to do is thug it out. Because I also believe that, oh, I think this might be, nope, this 96. It's the same thing. It's just either that or we're just gonna have to get longer curtains altogether. There's only one panel for $25.
Yeah, I might just have to change them because I don't have the patience to be looking for it.
Ow! Okay. Who said that?
You said ouch.
Ow!
What he do to you, MJ? Yeah, we just gonna have to try Walmart for the curtains. Even though we got our other curtains from here, probably get a better deal. We did it, Joe. I don't know what food that is, but it smells delish. You hungry? Yeah. You ready to go eat? You gonna sit down like you got some sense? We came in for some curtains, and we got 4 bar stools. 9 out of 10. Recommended.
In my brain, like my daddy, I be stunning, flipping. He in love with me, but I'm in love.
That's probably how they're gas.
Move over, y'all. Okay, y'all. Walmart actually have curtains, so we just have to pick which ones we like. Oh, look at this one. How much is this one? This is still cheaper than at the other place for 2. It's right there. And then you want to just do what? Like a... Because we could do something like this too. What, like a dark brown? Or are you talking about this right here?
That one. What about the one up? Let's see straight in my
Don't my stuff on the front.
Stop, girl, stop.
Well, we need a lot of curtains anyways because we got to make it go stretch across. But these are $5, so that's a win anyway. Because even if we have some extra ones left over, we could put those upstairs in the hallway or something like that. So it really don't matter. 84 or 90. Yeah, I wanted it high to the ceiling, like floor to ceiling type thing. But I know it's not gonna reach all the way to the ceiling. Okay, so didn't I say we needed like 6 curtains? And we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 8 curtains, so that should be enough. Gonna get some curtain rods. Y'all hear Sky? Just get them. I mean, whatever it is, I just wanted to be brown. But I like this because it's square.
Yeah, if you get brown, you gotta get 3 of them because the other one's silver at the house.
Oh, we can move that upstairs or something. Put it in the hallway upstairs or something. You don't agree? You said we need 3?
No. I mean, rubber be longer. We trying to go window to.
Yeah, window all the way across. Probably. Let's go with those.
Started. No, you started. So Scott, she said, don't talk to my sister like that. And then talk to me.
Those nice, but they got the thing on the top.
That's it. That's something you come here for.
Yeah. I guess we'll see. Sorry.
He's messing with me. I'm not. Yes, you are. I'm not. Yes, you are. Stop. The biggest one that's in here is Josiah. Shut up. You're big too. I ain't big. I'm 6. Shut up. 7. Shut up. I'm not 7. I'm 9 years old.
It's the first 3 hard. Thank you. You too. In and out. That's how you do that. That's how you do that. We got all that stuff for $70 minus my $3 for my little face stuff that I'm finna try out. But that was only $3, so $67 worth of curtains and curtain rods. And if we would have got that in the at-home store, we would have been paying a good, oh, excuse me, that's a hungry bird. A good buck. Yeah, you go eating the crayons already. Wow. MJ, you finna get in the hot chair. Make sure y'all circle what y'all want. You circle whatever you want to circle. So you want a person?
What is that for school?
She told read it. Sound it out with your silent. Yes, you do know how to read. Don't play with me. MJ, take it out.
I'm just do shrimp.
You just gonna do shrimp? I think you only get 4 with that. You want to open it so you can eat it more?
Okay, what
Really?
about cheeseburger and shrimp?
I don't know if they do that, Taj.
Ooh, I'm getting it.
You need space. Okay, ask your brother to scoot over then. Take the crayons out of your ears. Stop. They breaking.
Cut y'all bread.
Nothing there.
Yeah, we don't got no straws. But at least the appetizer came out with the drinks. It's good.
This pussy.
Okay, Taj. 5 plus 5.
5 plus 5. 10.
Okay, good job. Josiah, 5 times 5.
5 plus 5, 25.
Good job. Taj. 10 minus 2.
Okay, hold 2. And then put down 2.
Mm-hmm. Scott 5. Shh. How much? How many fingers do you have? 8. Good job. Josiah. 9 times 4.
54.
No, try again.
34. 34.
Do the finger trick that I showed you.
34.
Taj, be quiet. You do
I
not.
know it. 34.
No, ma'am. That's not how you do it. So the 4th finger should go down and make a knuckle. The numbers on one side equal the 10s, and then the other one.
It's 36.
Okay, good job. All right, Taj. We got 10 minus 8.
10 minus 8.
Mhm.
Okay, hold down that here. And then take away 8.
Mm-hmm. No.
2.
Fail. All right, Josiah.
Say therefore.
12 times 12.
Give me a hard one.
Remember what I taught you. Remember, 12 times 12 is 144.
Mommy,
When the bed breaks down, you can do it on the floor.
Give me a hard one. Give me a hard one.
All right, you want a hard one? All right, what's 20 minus 10, bro?
20 minus 10. Easy. What is 10 plus 10? 10 plus 10. Yeah, that's an easy number, and it's going to make you figure out what the answer is. 5. No, 10
Nah,
plus 10
bruh.
is 20.
You probably had to write it down.
Yeah,
You think?
look. Nah, don't write on my paper.
All right, stop the nonsense. Okay, okay, Josiah, your next problem. 7 times 8.
7 times 8 is 56.
Good job. Taj.
I got on my head.
Taj, 20 plus 0.
0.
What?
I said 0.
No, 20.
MJ, stop yelling.
20 plus 0.
Okay.
So you have 20 and you add nothing. Oh my God. Are you serious? No, it's not. It's 20. Touch, what?
I used to eat these.
Are you Cricket Wraps?
Rocio's food should be out in just a second.
You know, we get plastic.
The food is coming. You really think they're gonna bring our food and not bring yours? Be for real.
Yeah.
Okay, steak looking good.
Baby boy. Baby boy.
Oh, I'm so ready to eat.
What's your bag?
Just say you need ketchup. Want some shrimp? Is that you want some?
I'm gonna use that last one. I eat strips for good.
So good. The broccoli is delicious.
The strip is delicious.
Zai, you want to try the broccoli? It tastes so good. It tastes better than what I cooked.
This is better.
You said it was better. Woo. Stuffed. You full? You full? What you just dropped? What you just dropped? The spoon? Yeah. MJ, you dropped your spoon too? You ate all your food? That's good. Thank you.
You want me to take a picture?
Oh, no. I said right foot creep. Ooh, looking with that heat. Get out!
This is the best night ever.
Really? With your eating bread head ass.
I'll eat that ass.
Scott, don't play with me. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Come on, baby. Don't play with it.
Mommy, you play with it.
Just play it.
You
I just want to rough neck nigga on the tongue. All right, y'all. We made it back home. Husband. The stuff in, but look what I get. Ooh.
It's time for a party. I like your robe, Mommy.
Grown woman, upgrade, okay.
I love your ring.
You love it? Thank you.
I mean, I like it.
Thank you. Ooh, fancy.
Is it gonna turn on without the
You like my stuff, MJ? Cause we about to change the living room around.
Mommy, you ready for the party?
What party?
We about to, no, Daddy said we having a party. Yeah, we're having a party.